Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream thick, easy method. Begin with cold equipment. Chill bowl and whisk, and use heavy cream with 36% fat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla per cup. Whisk slowly at first, then increase speed to reach soft peaks, watching closely to avoid over-whipping. Stop when peaks hold but still look silky for best texture and spreadability. Make sure your tools and ingredients are ready before you start. Chill a metal or glass bowl and whisk for about 15 minutes to keep cream cold. Measure heavy cream by volume, using 1 cup per serving or recipe as a guide. Add powdered sugar and vanilla for flavor and stability. Then whisk with controlled speed changes to build structure while keeping the texture smooth and glossy for a perfect finish. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice if you want your car to smell as fresh as your desserts. I've linked it and other deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Whisking technique makes the difference between runny and beautifully thick whipped cream. Start at low speed to incorporate air evenly and reduce splatter, then gradually increase speed as the mixture thickens. Watch for white streaks turning glossy. When soft to medium peaks form, stop whisking to avoid grainy or buttery textures. Chill briefly after whipping if needed to firm up consistency and maintain that light, airy mouthfeel for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.